Hey Rose, before we get started, don't forget to follow Naturally Michaela on Instagram and hit that subscribe button.
I see a rose in bloom.
Starting off on dry hair, I'm going to take my spray bottle, which consists of sweet almond oil and water, and just kind of get the section damp. I am going to go in for the L portion of the L.O.C method with my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner. This stuff is amazing and it smells great. Following this, I'm going to be taking the wide tooth portion of my detangling comb, and I'm just going to detangle and get my hair prepped and ready to style. After my hair is thoroughly detangled, I am going to be taking some sweet almond oil, and I'm just going to be applying this. This is going to be the O portion of the L.O.C method. Again, I do this method every time I do my hair. I just get better results. So now I'm just going to be grabbing a section because I'm actually going to start twisting my hair. And to use as my twisting cream, I am using the Carol's Daughter Pracaxi Nectar Curl Twisting Custard. This stuff is really great. It's so smooth. It smells really good and it has a great hold and there's no crunch. With the Denman portion of my comb, I'm just going to kind of detangle my hair. I'm actually going to add a little more hair because I don't like super small twists. So I'm just going to repeat that step on this portion of the hair, and then I'm going to start twisting. The most important thing for a defined twist out is keeping your sections separated. So once you grab your two sections and start twisting, just commit to the sides. Don't take some from this side and bring it to the other. If you need to detangle, that's perfectly fine. You can take your Denman brush and kind of just brush down through, but make sure you keep the sides separated, and then you can go back to twisting. Make sure you're doing tight twists all the way down, and try your best not to, pull hair from the other side and blend it with the other side. Try to keep that section integrity. This is going to make super defined twists. I didn't really make even parts for this style because I kind of wanted a more careless, effortless look. I ended up with 12 twists, but it's completely up to you. If you want more twists, then feel free to make them smaller. If you don't want that many, then make them bigger. As long as you're making sure that the twists are nice and tight, then your hair is going to come out amazing. So now I'm just going to be repeating these steps until all of my hair is twisted up. So now that I officially look like Travis Scott, I'm gonna sleep with my silk bonnet and take these out in the morning when they're nice and dry. This is the next morning. I'm not a pro edge slayer, but I had to do something with my edges, so I am taking my Eco Styler, the flaxseed Eco Styler, and I am just going to kind of lay my edges down a little bit. I wrap it with a silk scarf and wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that I take the scarf out and take my twist out. When taking your twist out, just try to keep strand integrity. Don't just rip it out. You're basically reversing what you did the day prior, so you are literally unraveling it. Don't just, comb your hair through it. Just take it and literally reverse what you did to get it in there. And you see it is smooth, it's shiny, it's super defined. You literally just want to untwist. So now I'm just going through and I am untwisting my hair, and then I'm going to be kind of just pulling the twist apart just a little bit just to give me some volume. But remember, the more you pull apart, the more frizz you're gonna get. So if you don't want that much frizz, then I wouldn't pull apart too much, just enough to give you some fluff and some volume. So now that I have taken all of my twists out, this is the final look. I absolutely love this twist out. I'm in love with the results. To help me maintain my hair throughout the week, I use the Light Weightless Shine Mist by the Doux, and I put my hair in a low ponytail and covered with a silk bonnet. This is actually day 4 hair. I love the results. It lasts me almost the entire week. I was super excited. So if you like what you see, follow Naturally Michaela on Instagram at Naturally Michaela. And if you really liked this video, don't forget to share with a friend and subscribe.